Today I took two trades on MNQ. We're gonna go over why I took the trades and my reasoning for being bullish today. So these are the two trades I took today. These were two order block entries here. Here we swept this low here, and then we ended up closing above these two down close candles, which gave me my order block entry right there. That was a loss. And then this was another one here. We swept this low here at 10:04, closed above the down close candles at 10 past 10. And yeah, those were my two longs. They didn't end up working. So let's see, why was I bullish today? So beginning of every day, started all the same, starting the weekly, and we go and take a look. I'll just take these trades off right there. Take a look there. So came into this weekly gap, but can't use that. And then I look on the daily. Is there anything on the daily here? We don't really have anything on the daily here that I see. And then we go on the 12th hour. So the 12th hour yesterday, we came into this bullish 12-hour gap and we closed bullishly in it. And then next day, I was looking for us to have some more bullish expansion here, right? Because of the way we closed previous AM session. So I was looking for us to trade up into this 12-hour high right here as my buy side liquidity there. So another thing I was also looking at is on ES. So in ES, if we also go on the 12th hour, right, we saw that we had this sweep here, and then we came right to this other 12-hour high right here and created relative equal highs. So that was also another reason why I was bullish. I was looking for us to take these relative equal highs that we placed overnight and basically run that, right? So that's basically the reason why I was bullish today, because of previous day 12-hour gap, and I was looking for us to enter up and continue there. So another confluence I used to enter a trade is because we came down into this 4-hour gap here, and this 4-hour gap down there. But I will say my first trade here that I took didn't have that much confluence. So I would um, say that this trade was probably a B minus trade because there wasn't really any added confluence. We didn't have any 15-minute continuation on this trade, and we didn't even come into a gap. So I would say this was, I give this trade an F actually. So what my trades should have been is this first trade here, and then my second trade for the day would have been something like this. But this still would have resulted in a loss anyways. Market really didn't go anywhere. I don't think it's gonna completely expand up here. So I think one thing I can take away from this is that whenever I'm looking for 12-hour continuation trades, I should definitely look for more confluences, whether that's 15-minute or 4-hour gaps. And also, um, I was looking for this continuation, right? We closed PM session here, and then this continuation had already exhausted itself by trading all the way up here. That's basically like, yeah, that's like overnight, almost 400 points, pretty much. So I think that's something to note, especially when I'm looking for continuation trades from previous day manipulation. When we exhaust the market like this, especially when we don't have any high impact news, I think it's better off to just maybe not even trade and just close charts and come back another day. Or even like reverse the bias, look for a reversion back into some type of fair price or something like that. But yeah, lots of learning today, and it was pretty good. Yeah, that's all for me. Good luck and good trading.